guys, and thanks for watching my cartoon. Bye, and stay safe. Watch and enjoy. Run, boy, run! Your job is about to be late. Stop! No more work for you. You're fired. Lazy worker. And get out of here. This is my town. No, please, no. Please don't fire me. I need this job or I'll die. Please, no. Please. Please, I'll do anything. Please. Anything? I think I have one job. But it's too risky. So security, get him out of here. Now let's see what will they do. Will he get the job or not? No, sir, no. I'll do the job. Please, just let me do it. Give me one chance. Please. Out of here. Get him out, security. Good job. I'll give you double money for this weekend. Now what do I do? I'm a hobo now. Hey you, hobo man. You want your job back? Yes. Then work with me. I'll give you a job. Am I a ghost now? Is this what's happening? Yes, boy. Okay. Wow, what is this place? This is the art world. It's my world where you will draw art and you'll make money. This seems to be a nice place, but something seems little suspect too. Bob the banker was fired. Okay, so what do I have to do? Draw! Yes, you have to draw paintings. Get working. I'll be back. I'm drawing and drawing. Time to make another painting. Drawing. Okay, this will be the last one for me. Drawing. Ooh, so good. I think this should be the time where boss comes. Hello. Good job. Wow. Amazing drawing. How did you draw them? Oh, it was nothing. Just drawing is my hobby. It's sometimes. That's the secret. I have a deal for you. If you allow me to sell these drawings, I may help you get revenge on your boss, that meanie pants. Boss, these are your paintings because you own me, and here, have my painting. Hoo-yah! Good job, keep on drawing. I'm gonna bring you a present. No need, boss, thank you. Let's see what will be the present. Hey, what happened to me? How killed me? Why did someone kill me? And why am I here? I'm the original boss. Hey, is that you, Bob? You dirty, tricky tricker! You killed me? I'll kill you, stupid. No, it's my work. This is my work. This was my present for you. What an amazing drawing. Look at this drawing. Oh my goodness! These are amazing! How did everyone's so stupid to draw them. I love him. I'll buy a billion of them. Have 1 billion bucksies. And give me those weeds. Never! You insulted me because you thought I was a bad drawer. That's why you fired me. I'm never gonna give you these drawings, even for 1 million bucksies. Bob, forgive him, please. We need money. Yes, boss. Yes, have all of my paintings. As I was saying, this all belongs to you now. So you give me my 1 million bucksies. Okay. Phew! Bye-bye! I own this place now, all with the art. Yeah! Bye. Thanks for the bucksies. Wow, he left. Well, I think I'm gonna go now. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Wait a minute. Oh my god. These are beautiful. 1 minute. How can I get out of this place? Never mind. These are worth it. I love this painting. I like it. Thanks for watching. And bye bye. This is the end. Tada, bye bye.